host, Crypto and I thank y'all for tuning in to another session. Tonight, we're going to talk about the recent rise in the Bitcoin price and what to expect and how to invest your money. All right, so we're going to start off here looking at coin market cap. You can see Bitcoin has hit $17,000 today, which is is unbelievable in my eyes. I didn't see it coming this fast. I was going to be happy with closing the year out at 10,000, even 15,000 would have been a boost. But as you can see, you can't stop this well-oiled machine called Bitcoin. But what I wanted to point out today was that a lot of these altcoins on the chart, they are red. And what it can mean for you as a new investor, people who've already been staking in Bitcoin for at least 8 months, they're probably aware of the come up on the altcoins. If not, you definitely need to watch this, pay attention to this video, because what I'm going to show you may help you position yourself better as far as catching up to this $17,000 price in Bitcoin. So typically what tends to happen is Bitcoin will take a big surge and then you'll see some drawback. So like right here you see was that November 28th, was that $900 and surged up to 11,000, which was about $2,000 increase within 24 hours, and then it dropped back down to a low of 9277. So that's typical. If you buy in at these all-time high prices, you're gonna see your investment start to decrease. But with the decrease, most people start to buy back in. With a big jump like this, I was expecting a big drop. And yesterday I did a video where I thought the Bitcoin was going to come down to around 11.8. And then I said, if not there, it'd be around 12. And as you see, it did hit, it went up close to 13, came back down, but not much at all. And it started taking off like a rocket. And a lot of people believe that it's because of the recent news that Bitcoin will be on the stock exchange starting December the 10th. A lot of new investors are trying to buy in on Bitcoin so they can start using it on the stock exchange. So that's what I think has been driving this price up to where it's damn near unstoppable to bring it back down. So I just refreshed and did another price prediction because I doubt it will go here. That would be beautiful, because then I will buy up a whole lot of it, knowing that it's gonna jump up like this again. But you can't count on it. So I went back in and I'm looking at where these hours are closing out at and where they're touching the most within the past 10 to 12 hours. We've seen a lot of 1500 price range. So I know that the community of Bitcoin supports the price. It will pretty much have a support there, and when it has a support here, it normally doesn't go below it. So we're going to keep tracking this. Right now, my prediction has been pretty off, but I wasn't aware of the news until today about the what's going on December the 10th. So that's pretty exciting. A lot of people are going to do this, so I just want to warn you, because it might not work in your favor if my prediction does turn out to be correct. What will end up happening is you'll have some people who are invested in these altcoins say, well, shoot, Bitcoin's unstoppable. Let me cash out my profits on my altcoins and move them over to Bitcoin. I'm not going to personally do that. I'm going to hold on to my altcoins. The position that I have on them now is pretty good, and I don't want to lose that position. And something takes off 10-20%. If anything, I might cash out some of this profit from the Bitcoin and move it over to an altcoin, because some of these altcoins will just wake up out of the blue, and I mean, they'll go up 50%, 25% within 24 hours. So I don't want to lose that opportunity, even though I know Bitcoin is taking off like a rocket. And some of my sources are telling me that this might last up until March. This whole increase of price. But I'm gonna hold my position with all my coins, and depending on how the situation goes, if I'm really comfortable with what I have with one, I might make some trades. But this thing is unpredictable right now, and when it's unpredictable, you shouldn't try to do too much movement of your coins. Um, what typically happens is the processing takes a long time for your transaction to process, and you end up paying more in transaction fees anyway. So you might as well just hold on to what you have and be patient. All right. Um, let's see if there's anything else I want to talk. I'm going to talk about some hot coins to buy if you do decide you want to cash out some of your Bitcoin and get on some of these lower coins. IOTA is below $4, so I would say jump on IOTA. Ripple's typically at 25 cents and it's up 10% today, so stay away from Ripple until you see that price around 22 cents. Then I'd say jump on it. Dash is pretty low. Dash was a week ago. Dash was around 780, and it's just down about $100. So I would possibly take some stake position in Dash. Um, let's go down. Monero's down. Not really a lot, but it's down for the bull run it's had so far lately. It's down quite a bit, about 30-40 bucks. Cardano has been had a bull run. It's down to 10 cent. It can easily shoot back up to 12, 15, 17 cent. So I would definitely grab in on that. Ethereum Classic, I've seen it at $31 strong for a few days, so that could possibly go back up. EOS is like one of my favorite altcoins. And I got in when it was just some change, and it did this $4 within a matter of days. So I'm feeling them. I'm not gonna lose my position what I have in them. Lisk is down. It can easily go up to $10. The BitConnect is just amazing. I wouldn't buy in on it now unless you're doing loans on their website. OMG is down. I've seen this at $9, close to $10 on any given day. So these are coins that you can grab more than one of. You can get 10, 20, 30, 40. If you got enough in your account, you can buy 100 of them. And if it shoots up $3, you just made $300 if you had 100 of them. So that's a quicker way to kind of make some quick profits in this game for all the newcomers. So that wraps up the video. I don't want to be too long with these videos. I want to keep them informative and interesting. I don't want to go too long and bore you guys out. Please like, subscribe, share this on your social media platforms. I'm trying to grow this whole platform here with the CryptoLounge, and I need your help. We'll be doing some giveaways. We'll be giving away Bitcoin. We're going to be giving away electronics. So it's in your best interest to follow, comment, like. Let us know you're here and you're watching us. All right? Have a good one.